What's up, guys? Welcome to today's video. So this is a update on my property here in Queen Creek. Super excited to kind of give you guys an updated tour and more excited to talk about what I plan on doing with this house. So we're gonna make this a nice short video. It's getting really late. It's already dark out and I don't have electricity in there. So let's flip the camera around and get going. So I officially closed on this house about 5 days ago here, and as you guys can see, the demo work is pretty much completely done at this property. This will be most likely my office, as we talked about before, and then the last video you guys saw, there was a giant wall right here, and then the kitchen was, you guys can kind of still see the shape of the kitchen right here. So I ended up just completely demoing this place just because it's a house that I am personally going to live in. I'm not going to flip it, so I am going to spend a little bit more money than what I probably want to and what I normally would do on a property, but like I said, I want it to a certain standard and I don't want to have this thing fully built out and then me regret not doing anything. So yes, I'm probably going to spend an extra $10,000 that I don't need to do, but hopefully it'll be like a really solid house for the next couple of years. So with that being said, let's start over here with what I plan on doing with this little entry room over here. We most likely, I'm gonna do a fireplace build out right here. I'll hopefully throw up a photo. I've done fireplace build outs on 2 of my properties before and they look incredible. So it will be a build out and then I'm gonna do an electric fireplace right here and probably tile the whole thing up as a good focal point for this room. Now that we remove this wall, it looks a lot more open. This used to be where the fridge was. This is the fridge line. We're probably gonna push back most likely the fridge to over here. It's 36 inches and we're gonna do a little small cabinet right here. We're gonna leave the microwave and the stove where they are right here just to save some money and to make it easier. And then since we lost this pantry in this wall that was right here, we're gonna throw a 24-inch pantry right here, do some lowers, do some upper cabinets right here. And then we lost all this space over here. This is where the dishwasher was. This is where the sink was, and then it kind of curved around, and the only entry to the kitchen was this little section right here, so it was very closed off. And then if you look up here as well, you guys can actually get an idea on where the walls were. So the wall was right here. This, as you guys see, all this right here was all just soffit. So it was about 1.5 feet of soffit that just kind of just shrunk this entire place down, and we removed all that. And then we removed this 3/4 wall as well, which I'll talk about. But let's finish up over at the kitchen over here. I think the plan is, I was originally gonna leave this island and just kind of make it a straight, or not the island, leave the peninsula and just make it straight. But what I think I'm gonna do, now that it's all taken down, one giant 10-foot island right here, just so it flows with the entryway. It's linear with the entryway. It's parallel to this wall rather than having a peninsula right here and then another island right here, which was the original plan. I think this will be a lot better and look a lot more aesthetic with one giant island right here, with the sink in the center, dishwasher over here, and then just do waterfall granite on both sides. It's most likely gonna start right here and it'll go all the way over here. So there still will be a nice walkway and it won't go too far into the living room as well. So that's the plan for the kitchen. I want to do some nice wood-like cabinets, which I think will look awesome. And then I'm going to do probably white shakers over here as well. And then here is the next biggest change. There used to be a 3/4 wall right here, which is where your TV, like they wanted your TV to go back in 2004. But I like my houses nice and open. I did it with my Airbnb. I prefer to create rooms with furniture as opposed to walls. So I'm still going to make this kind of a living room, most likely with an L-shaped couch right here. So it kind of still has the hallway feel to it. It's not just straight into that bedroom over there. It will have like a nice little couch that kind of separates it a little bit, but still very open. The TV is most likely going to go right over here. I'm going to try to fit an 85-inch over here as well, because then you can kind of just look out in the backyard as well, which is beautiful. I don't know if I think I've showed you guys the backyard in my last video, but got a nice hot tub, the pool. I need to get my pool guy out there because things gonna get dirty. Let's finish this tour before it gets super dark. This is gonna be my office. Like I said, not much change anywhere over here, to be honest with you. This is just another bedroom. The bathroom, I am gonna do a walk-in shower on this bathroom right here. I don't know. I don't like bathtubs anymore. I'm not going to use it. Yes, it probably will help when I resell it, but I don't plan on selling this for quite a while. So next biggest change, and what I want your guys' opinion on would be much appreciated in the comment section. Let me know what you guys would do with this. So the plan as of right now is to shrink this to a 24-inch window, which I believe is 3 of those panels right there. So it'll be about this big, privacy glass still, and then just make this one giant walk-in shower. Now, with that being said, there's so many different options I can have with this walk-in shower. One of the options was make this like a little half wall right here, and then make this the walkway to get in, and then bring this, leave that handle, but bring that shower head as a rainfall shower head down here. So you have one shower right here, which is going to be left here because it's already plumbed and everything. And then I'd bring like a rainfall shower right here and just do one walkway over here. So you can kind of still be in the shower, but you don't have to be wet over here. And maybe I'll do a bench or something like that. Or the other option would be just symmetrical, like make a shower head right here, make a shower head right here, potentially just do one entrance in the center. But then if I do this with the shower heads on both sides, I'll likely have to put glass. And the other way, if I did a pony wall right here, tiled it up, and this was the walkway, I don't know if I would actually have to do glass at all. I'd maybe have to do a small little panel of glass right here, but that pony wall would kind of protect it a little bit. So let me know what you guys think. The third option would be little small pony wall, and then just have like a walkway right there. I don't really know, or just completely new idea. So I'd love your guys' thoughts. What would you guys prefer in your house? That's it. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. This is an exciting project for me. It's my personal house, so I'm taking a lot more time on it, but I don't want 2 mortgages that I'm paying. With my 2 mortgages, with this property and the one that I'm living in now, it would be over $5,000 a month out of my pocket. So I'm really trying to move into this one as soon as possible, so then I can start renting my previous place out and actually start making a little bit of income on that house. So yes, I'm not trying to rush it, but I do have a timeline on this. That's it though. I will keep you guys updated, probably weekly updates on this. I'm going to be over here every single day to make sure my guys do a perfect job on everything. This house is obviously very important to me, but I thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are looking for a real estate agent here in the Arizona area, whether you're looking for your personal home, you're looking to sell your home, or you're looking to invest as a rental property, which is what I do full time, message me down below. Actually, my Instagram is down in the description below, as well as my email. You guys can message me on there or email me. I'd love to work with you guys, whether it's investing or just buying your dream home in Arizona. I'll see you guys later. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram.